And this is the last unit that was used by Kira Yamato. Yeah, and I know, you already know it when I said it's the last unit that he used, because this is your... this is your HG Cosmic Era Mighty Strike Freedom Gundam. So this is the latest version of the Strike Freedom, which is, yeah, as we know, the last form of Strike Freedom last time on its TV series is the golden frame and has those dragoons at the back. And now we have this kind of golden, and it has a katana. You can see that it's a very large katana right there. And yeah, it's nice. So it's like a dual wielding kind of unit, which it has a katana, and also it has that beam saber at the other side of the hand, or the left side of the hand. Okay, so yeah, very nice. So let's see what is this unit. So yeah, let's go. What is this unit, man? Can we know it? Or this backpack? Does anyone knows what is the name of the backpack? Can you please comment down there below? Because I want to know it. Okay, so right here, it's not an unboxing, but I just want to know what is this kind of backpack that he has. Okay, that it has rather. So it has a golden frame, and then one of the amazing things that he has, that this unit has this kind of weapon which can really distract or destroy anything in the outer space or during on the movie, which it is called the Disruptor. Okay, which is on the forehead of your Gundam Freedom, Strike Freedom, Mighty Strike Freedom. And yeah, it has a katana. So blade features two different types of material. Okay, so it's like the katana will be on black. Yeah, so let's open it a little bit. It's not yet an unboxing. Okay, I just want to see the parts or the runners inside. Okay, just also to be sure if the runners are okay or not. If they're okay, yeah. And also the quality, but it's Bandai, so don't... same as usual. Yeah, and it has this very nice clear part. This is the shield one, which is also beaming in something rainbow-like kind of effect. Yeah, very nice. And yeah, I'm right, the katana is on black plastic. Yeah, maybe I will add something effect on that, which I will add something metallic effect, yeah, on the sword, so that it can be really seen as a katana. And this is the part of your backpack, which is very big.